Are you tired of spending too much time in the kitchen? Do you want to enjoy crispy, delicious meals without the guilt of deep frying? If so, you're not alone. Air fryers have taken the culinary world by storm, offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying. But with so many models on the market, how do you know which one is right for you? In this video, I'll be counting down the top 8 air fryers of 2024. From compact models perfect for small kitchens to large capacity machines designed for families, I've got something for everyone. Let's dive in. 8. Tasti-Crisp Electric Air Fryer. The Tasti-Crisp Electric Air Fryer is a compact powerhouse that's perfect for those with limited kitchen space. With a 2.6 quart capacity, it's ideal for individuals or couples who want to enjoy crispy snacks without the hassle of a larger appliance. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its simplicity. It uses air crisp technology, which reduces fat by up to 80% compared to traditional frying methods. The fixed temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit ensures that your food cooks quickly and evenly, making it perfect for frozen treats like French fries and chicken nuggets. The Tasti-Crisp also comes with an auto shut-off function, ensuring that your food won't overcook if you get distracted. Its cool touch handle adds an extra layer of safety, making it a great option for families with young children. Despite its small size, this air fryer delivers big on performance. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or preparing a side dish, the Tasti-Crisp makes it easy to cook healthier meals in minutes. However, its lower wattage, 1000 W, means it may take a bit longer to cook compared to larger models. In summary, if you're looking for an affordable, compact air fryer that gets the job done without taking up too much space, the Tasti-Crisp is a fantastic choice. Next up is the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, a versatile machine that does much more than just air fry. With its large capacity and multiple cooking functions, this model is perfect for those who want an all-in-one appliance. The Breville Smart Oven features Element IQ technology, which adjusts the power of each heating element to ensure even cooking. This makes it ideal for everything from roasting vegetables to baking pizzas. The air fryer setting delivers crispy results every time, though it may take slightly longer than some other models on this list. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its rotisserie function, which allows you to cook whole chickens with ease. The oven also comes with multiple accessories, including 2 wire racks, a broiling rack, and even a pizza pan. While it's on the pricier side, the Breville Smart Oven's versatility makes it worth every penny. Whether you're air frying, baking, or roasting, this machine can handle it all. However, it's worth noting that this model is quite large and may not be suitable for smaller kitchens. But if you have the counter space and are looking for an appliance that can replace several others, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is an excellent investment. 6. Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer. The Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer offers a sleek design with impressive functionality. It's one of the few air fryers that combines simplicity with high performance, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks alike. With its basket-style design, this air fryer offers plenty of room to cook family-sized portions in one go. The basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, a feature that busy households will appreciate. One thing that sets this model apart is its adjustable temperature control. You can fine-tune your cooking settings depending on what you're preparing, whether it's crispy fries or tender chicken breasts. The machine also heats up quickly and maintains a stable temperature throughout cooking. While some users may find the basket diameter slightly small compared to other models on this list, it's still large enough to handle most meals efficiently. Its compact size also makes it easy to store when not in use. Overall, if you're looking for an air fryer that's easy to use and delivers consistently great results without breaking the bank, the Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer is a solid choice. 5. COSORI TurboBlaze Air Fryer. The COSORI TurboBlaze Air Fryer is one of the most popular models on the market today, and for good reason. This sleek 6-quart air fryer combines style with functionality and offers 9 preset cooking modes that make meal prep easier than ever. What sets the TurboBlaze apart from other models is its high-speed motor and innovative air duct design, which allows it to cook food up to 46% faster than previous COSORI models. Whether you're roasting vegetables or grilling steak, you'll be amazed at how quickly your meals come together. Another great feature is its touchscreen display, which is intuitive and easy to use. You can select from presets like air fry, roast, grill, reheat, and more, all with just a few taps on the screen. However, one downside is that its sleek design makes it prone to fingerprints. To be prepared to wipe it down regularly if you want it looking pristine on your countertop. Despite this minor flaw, the COSORI TurboBlaze air fryer delivers fantastic results across a wide range of foods and cooking styles, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen. 4. Typhur Dome Air Fryer. If you're after speed and efficiency without compromising on quality or taste, look no further than the Typhur Dome Air Fryer, voted as one of 2024's best large-capacity air fryers by USA Today. This model boasts an impressive cooking speed up to 30% faster than traditional air fryers thanks to its unique dome shape that promotes better airflow around your food items during cooking sessions. With room enough inside its spacious cavity, capable of holding up to 32 chicken wings, this model excels at handling large batches quickly while maintaining consistent crispiness throughout each bite. Moreover, it operates whisper quietly at only 55 dB noise level, meaning no more shouting over noisy appliances while preparing dinner. Additionally, it comes equipped with smart features such as self-cleaning mode activated via app control, a true lifesaver when dealing with greasy stains after heavy-duty use. In conclusion, the Typhur Dome offers unparalleled speed combined with user-friendly features like app integration and self-cleaning mode, all wrapped within sleek modern design, fit perfectly into any contemporary kitchen setup. 3. Ninja DoubleStack. The Ninja DoubleStack air fryer is an innovative take on the traditional dual basket design, offering a unique vertical stacking system that saves counter space while still providing ample cooking capacity. With its 2 stacked compartments, this model is perfect for those who want to prepare multiple dishes at once without sacrificing valuable kitchen real estate. One of the standout features of the Ninja DoubleStack is its 9.5-liter capacity, which is divided between the 2 stacked drawers. This design allows you to cook different foods simultaneously, making it ideal for families or meal preppers. The top drawer is perfect for foods that need a crispier finish, while the bottom drawer is better suited for items that require less direct heat, such as vegetables or baked goods. The 6 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, reheat, and max crisp, offer versatility and make this air fryer suitable for a wide range of recipes. Whether you're preparing crispy chicken wings or dehydrating fruit for snacks, the Ninja DoubleStack has you covered. However, there are some drawbacks to this model. Cooking times can be slightly longer than with other air fryers due to the vertical design, and the bottom rack may not cook as evenly as the top one. Despite these minor issues, the Ninja DoubleStack is still a fantastic option for those who need a space-saving solution without compromising on capacity. 2. Dreo ChefMaker. The Dreo ChefMaker is not just an air fryer, it's a smart cooking assistant designed to elevate your culinary experience. This model stands out thanks to its chef mode, which uses advanced algorithms to adjust cooking settings based on the type of food you're preparing. Whether you're cooking steak or salmon, the ChefMaker ensures perfect results every time. One of the most impressive features of the Dreo ChefMaker is its water misting system, which helps keep meats juicy while achieving a crispy exterior. This feature is particularly useful for cooking steaks, as it mimics professional chef techniques by searing the meat at high temperatures and then finishing it with a burst of steam for tenderness. The built-in temperature probe adds another layer of precision to your cooking. You can monitor the internal temperature of your food in real time through the Dreo app, ensuring that your meals are cooked to perfection without having to constantly check on them. The 4.3-inch display panel is sleek and user-friendly, with colorful illustrations that guide you through each step of the cooking process. You can also control the air fryer remotely via the app, allowing you to start or stop cooking from anywhere in your home. While the Dreo ChefMaker excels in precision and convenience, it does have a longer cooking time compared to some other models due to its multi-stage cooking process. However, the results are well worth the wait, especially if you're looking for restaurant-quality meals at home. At number 1 on our list is the Midea Dual Basket Air Fryer Oven, a versatile powerhouse that offers unparalleled flexibility with its dual-zone cooking system. With a total capacity of 11 quarts, this model can handle large family meals or multiple dishes at once without breaking a sweat. The Midea Dual Basket Air Fryer Oven features 2 separate compartments, a 6-quart air frying basket in the top zone and a 5-quart traditional oven in the bottom zone. This dual-zone setup allows you to cook different types of food simultaneously at different temperatures and settings, perfect for preparing an entire meal in one go. One of the standout features of this model is its sync finish function, which ensures that both zones finish cooking at the same time. This means you can cook your main course and side dish simultaneously without worrying about one being overcooked or undercooked. The Midea Smart technology also allows you to control each zone independently via an app, making it easy to monitor your meals from anywhere in your home. In terms of performance, this air fryer delivers consistently crispy results across a wide range of foods, from chicken wings to roasted vegetables, while using significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. The large capacity makes it ideal for families or those who like to meal prep in bulk. Another great feature is its wide range of cooking modes, including air fry, bake, roast, grill, broil, and even dehydrate. This versatility makes it more than just an air fryer. It's essentially a mini convection oven that can handle all your cooking needs. While some users have noted minor issues with display brightness and potential odors during initial use, these are small trade-offs considering the overall performance and value this air fryer offers. And there you have it, the top 8 air fryers of 2024. Whether you're looking for something compact like the Tasti-Crisp or a high-tech marvel like the Dreo ChefMaker, there's an option on this list for everyone. Each model brings something unique to the table, from space-saving designs to smart technology, and they all deliver healthier versions of your favorite fried foods with ease. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.